Hi, welcome to Act Media YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Izuchukwu. Are you a photographer or a beginner in Photoshop? You want to learn how to retouch photo using frequency separation? This video is for you. So on this tutorial video, I will show you how to use Ultimate Retouch plugin, how to set your mixer brush, and also how to dodge and burn. And you know what? Lend me your ears. Let me show you the secret numbers I use from a mixer brush. Please don't tell anybody. But before then, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get alert each time I upload a new video. So right now, I'm going to go ahead to set my brush. And I'm going to go to the brush settings. I'm going to uncheck everything and I will leave only the texture and smoothing. This area I will uncheck. I don't need color, and if though I need color, I'm going to go for white or black, but I don't need color. So my wet, load, mix, flow, I'm going to leave it 30, 130, and this is the best settings for me. So after I've done this, I'm going to select my healing brush to start removing the blemishes. So on the normal, I use my healing brush and patch tools. So at this moment, I'm going to fast forward it. I don't want to take much of your time. So, and at this point, I'm going to explain the structure of the face, because as an editor, you need to understand the face of your model. The face has the highlight, the midtone, and shadow. So when you understand it, you're not going to carry highlight to shadow, and you're not going to carry shadow to highlight. And when you're mixing, you're going to mix around, rotational. You're not going to drag the brush, you're going to rotate it. And I'm going to show you practical example. And this makeup artist, I'll be following her and her work is very clean. So that's exactly what I'm talking about. You're going to be mixing your brush round, rotating it round. So this particular area I have highlighted is the highlight part, is the highlight. So, and this area now is the shadow. So right now I'm going to start mixing, and I'll go ahead to open my Ultimate Retouch panel, and I will choose the radius that works best for me, depending on what you want. For me, I'm going to choose 4. If you want to get a higher detail of your image, you can choose something above 4, maybe 5, 6, or you want to get a well smoothed image, you can choose below 4, maybe 2 or 3. So this 4 is gonna go well for me. The another things you need to know is when you're mixing, you click on your mouse and you move it round twice. You click and you move it round twice. This is how you do it. You master it, and you'll be doing it faster. Do not drag it. When you start dragging your brush, you're going to be carrying the highlights to cover the shadow, and which will spoil the face of your model. So what you do, you mix it round so that you get accurate result of what you want. So I'm going to fast forward it a bit so that I won't take much of your time. So after I've done with the smoothing, I'm going to go back to the ultimate retouch panel and select my dodge and bone. I just want the face of my model to come out very well. So I'm going to apply a soft light on the face, on the highlight area. And also after that, I will go to the darkened areas just to get the structure of the face and make the image to pop out more. I'm going to darken it. And after that, I'm going to reduce the opacity. I don't want it to be too harsh. And I will as well go to the Gaussian blur so that I wouldn't like the line to come out sharp. I would like to reduce it also so that it blends well with the skin. So I'm going to go ahead to adjust it until I get exactly what I want. So I'll go again to the ultimate retouch panel, and I will select white teeth to whiten the eyes. So I'm going to zoom in very well so that I do not enter the iris. So this is it. I'm going to whiten it. And also I'll go to the second eye to do the same thing. And after that, so the last thing I want to do, I want to work on the lipstick. The lipstick has already cleaned up, so I'll quickly go to pen tools and use it to select the lips area. And I will go here to select a solid color, and because I cannot select the lips color right now, I'm going to go ahead and say okay and hide the layer and select the color I want, that is the actual color that was on the lips. So after I've done that, I will change the blending mode to multiply, and I will also go to the blending option to adjust the underlying layers so that I can get a perfect blending. And I'm going to hold Alt key on my keyboard to split it at this point, and I will separate it a little bit so that I will get it blend very well as I want it. And after that, I will say okay, and that is it. So I believe this tutorial helped you, and if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get alerts any day, anytime I'm uploading a new video. Thank you very much.